Home Remedies presents
Only one wall pose you should do every night before bed. Hello and welcome. Laying on your bed or on the floor with your legs up against the wall has many health benefits. Here's why you should try it. Hey friends from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Circulation. It improves blood flow and helps with varicose veins by letting blood flow back to the heart. Relaxation reduces stress, anxiety, and helps you relax by lowering cortisol levels. Lower back relief takes pressure off your lower back and helps relieve pain in your back, buttocks, and legs. Muscle relaxation relieves tension in tired muscles, calves, and feet. Neck and shoulders stretches and relaxes muscles in your neck, shoulders, and back. Digestion improves digestion and helps with bloating, cramping, and PMS. Better sleep helps you sleep better by calming your mind and body. To do this pose, lie down on your back and put your legs up on the wall. You can use a small pillow under your lower back if it's more comfortable. Try to stay in this position for 5 to 20 minutes. Even if your hamstrings are tight, do your best to extend your legs. Over time, you will see the benefits.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.